Whether Michigan's minimum wage will increase is in the hands of the Michigan Supreme Court.
The state's highest court hearing arguments today on a case that would have a huge impact on the restaurant industry. News 8's Byron Tolleson has more on what this all means. Byron.
Brian and Sue, this fight goes back several years, and it deals with whether Republican lawmakers were within their rights to keep a wage issue off the ballot. The case could have huge implications for the restaurant industry and workers going forward.
The Michigan Supreme Court hearing arguments on a legal battle that could raise the state's minimum wage to $13 an hour next year. Back in 2018, advocates got enough signatures to put a proposal on the ballot that would have done just that. But before the vote, the Republican-controlled legislature preempted the ballot initiative by passing a minimum wage increase.
They did all this work. They put something on the ballot. They did everything that was required. The legislature took, just to keep it simple, legislature said they were going to take it up, and then ultimately it ended the way everybody anticipated it would end.
Then, before Governor Whitmer took over, legislators essentially gutted that law, keeping the minimum wage low after all.
Why? What are they so afraid of? Why don't they want this to go to the voters? It's because they know that this is so overwhelmingly popular in Michigan and across America that if it gets on the ballot, we're going to win and wages are going to go up. So they have been looking every single time for a technicality to keep this off the ballot.
This practice is called adopt and amend. Last July, the State Court of Claims ruled it unconstitutional. In January, the Court of Appeals overturned that decision. Now it's in the hands of the Michigan Supreme Court. And if the court says it's unconstitutional, the state's minimum wage would rise from just over $10 an hour to $13 an hour next year for both regular and tipped workers. Justice Richard Bernstein, in his questioning, signaling that adopt and amend may take away people's rights.
When you're talking about this as it pertains to kind of people's perception, confidence, faith, and trust in governance, does the scheme, does the practice, does what happened fit really the general perspective of letting the people have their day?
Meanwhile, some in the restaurant industry have raised alarm bells over raising the minimum wage, including the owner of a Holland Township restaurant saying it will increase prices, force the layoffs of workers, and even closures.
I promise you, you will see restaurants go out of business. There's no way around it.
I hope they hear us because this will actually hurt us.
Tracy Bollman, who's worked at the restaurant for more than a decade, said increasing the minimum wage would actually hurt her because she says she wouldn't make as much in tips.
It'll give customers a reason to not tip as much because they'll hear that we're making a wage. So I would think it would hurt once you take taxes out. I think it will actually have the opposite effect.
While One Fair Wage says that tens of thousands of workers in Michigan left the restaurant industry during the pandemic because of low wages, and that these changes are necessary to help keep the restaurant industry afloat.
And so whether it's through court process 1 or court process 2, these shenanigans are going to be overcome and wages are going to go up next year.
A decision on this case is expected sometime next year, but it's not the only one. While this is going on, advocates are in a different legal fight over putting a $15 minimum wage proposal on next November's ballot. The State Board of Canvassers wouldn't certify their petition signatures, so One Fair Wage is appealing that case to the Court of Appeals.